Good morning, children. Today we will continue chapter 13 from page 95. Okay, so we had till now learned that the Indian team had reached the final after winning in the semi-finals, right? And this was the first time in the history this was done, that an Indian team had reached the final. All right, and the Indians were playing bare feet except Sudhir Chatterjee. All right, so we will continue. Meanwhile, tension outside the ground had been mounting as thousands of people who had come to see the match had been unable to get a ticket. They had no way of knowing what was happening. The scoring and public announcement systems had failed. Finally, someone came up with an innovative idea. The score could be relayed outside the stadium by means of kites. A black kite would mean a goal for the British, a maroon and green one, the color of the club, would indicate a goal for Mohun Bagan. Okay, so there was tension outside the ground also. Inside the ground, we had seen that both the teams had come up on the pitch. All right, now outside the ground, as it was told earlier that the match was supposed to start at 5:30, but from 11 o'clock in the morning, the people had started coming. So obviously by the evening, the crowd would have been immense, right? So many of the people were unable to get the ticket. Now they had no way of knowing what was happening inside, because at that time TV channels or other social medias were also not there. So the scoring and the public announcement system had also failed. Now finally someone came up with an innovative idea, means a new idea, okay, that the score could be relayed outside. How the people who are standing outside would know the score. Okay, so the idea was to fly the kites. A black kite would mean a goal for the British, and the maroon and green one, that is the color of the club, would indicate the goal for Mohun Bagan team. Mohun Bagan team means that is the Indian team. A massive groan from outside the stadium made a chill run down the spines of those waiting outside, even though it was an oppressively hot day. A few minutes later, the groan found its echo outside the ground too, as a number of black kites went up into the sky. A massive groan from inside the stadium made a chill run the spines those waiting outside. Groan means the shouting, okay, from the stadium. Okay, it was an oppressively hot day because it was June, so obviously it will be summer. A few minutes later, the groan found its echo outside. So outside the ground also, the people who were waiting outside, they also shouted because number of black kites went into the sky. Black kites means the goal made by Britishers. East Yorkshire Regiment had taken the lead. Jackson, their captain, had scored from a free kick. Okay, so East Yorkshire Regiment had taken the lead. So they were at the lead. Jackson was the captain who had scored from a free kick. The goal seemed to inspire the British team. Okay, so ये गोल जो हुआ था वो ये गोल ने ब्रिटिश टीम को मोटिवेट कर दिया. The second half, however, changed that. The break had given the Mohun Bagan players a chance to reassess their strategy. Okay, so there was a break now, and in the break, Mohun Bagan players had got chance to reassess their strategy. That means अपनी strategy को change करने के लिए उन लोग को time मिल गया. It was that Shivdas Bhaduri decided to take matters in hand. The Mohun Bagan captain coolly strolled in front of the Yorkshire goal as if on a leisurely walk. Okay, so Shibdas Bhaduri was the captain of Mohun Bagan team, and he decided to take the matters in hand now. Okay, he just strolled in front of the Yorkshire goal as if on a leisurely walk. ऐसे लग रहा था कि वो खाली चल रहा है. Okay, in front of the goal post. What, however, terrified the British player was the fact that Bhaduri was not alone on his stroll at his bare feet of the football. Before any of the English players could move in to tackle Bhaduri, let rip a shot of such a power that no goalkeeper on earth could have saved it, let alone the man in the East Yorkshire goal. Okay, so they were just walking casually in front of the goal post, and he was not the alone, means Bhaduri was not the alone. Okay, at his bare feet was the फुटबॉल. ओके, मतलब उसके पैर के पास फुटबॉल भी था, वो अकेला ही नहीं घूम रहा था. एंड बिफोर एनी ऑफ द इंग्लिश प्लेयर कुड मूव और कुड केम टू नो कि ही वाज ट्राइंग टू किक इट. ओके, भदूरी ने इतना जोर से इतना पावरफुल शॉट मारा कि नो गोलकीपर ऑन द अर्थ कुड हैव सेव्ड इट. द बॉल शॉट इनटू द नेट. देयर वाज अ स्टन्ड साइलेंस फॉर अ सेकेंड. Then a vast dam of noise burst. Maroon and green kites dotted the sky. Strangers inside and outside the ground embraced each other. Mohun Bagan was alive and kicking. Okay, the ball shot into the net and there was a goal, obviously. And because of that goal, there was stunned silence for a second. And then the noise burst out. And the sky was full of maroon and green kites. Strangers inside and outside, मतलब आजू बाजू में जो बैठे हो, आजू बाजू में जो खड़े हो, वो लोग भी एक दूसरे को हग करने लगे. वो लोग एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं थे, but they were all Indians and they hugged each other. And everybody came to know that yes, Mohun Bagan was alive and Mohun Bagan is kicking. Now, with 3 minutes left, both teams seemed to have settled for a draw and a replay. The ball was being passed in a leisurely manner. Even the fans seemed to be content with the result. Surely no one would attempt a risky move so late in a match. Now with 3 minutes left, both teams seems to have settled for a draw. मतलब दोनों का एक एक गोल हो गया था. Okay, and the ball was being passed in a leisurely manner. एक casual manner में बॉल पास हो रहा था, क्योंकि अभी कोई भी एक ऐसा रिस्की अटेम्प्ट कोई नहीं करेगा, रिस्की मूव भी कोई नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज अब खाली 3 मिनट्स ही बाकी था. Someone did. It was Shibdas Bhaduri. He suddenly spotted a gap in the British defense and sent the ball unerringly to Abhilash Bose. As the British contingent in the stand looked on with horror, Bose controlled the ball and proceeded to smash it past the goalkeeper into the Yorkshire goal. Now, कैजुअली खाली बॉल एक दूसरे को सब लोग पास कर रहे थे, उसमें शिवदास भादुरी फाउंड अ गैप इन द ब्रिटिश डिफेंस एंड सेंट द बॉल अनएरिंगली, मीन्स विदाउट नोइंगली, और किसी को अलर्ट किए बिना भी उसने अभिलाष बोस को बॉल पास कर दिया, और अभिलाष बोस कंट्रोल द बॉल एंड प्रोसीडेड टू स्मैश इट पास्ट the goalkeeper. Okay, the roar that followed the goal is said to have been heard miles away. The sky literally turned maroon and green as every person with a Mohun Bagan kite flew it. Okay, the means goal ho gaya and now they were leading. Mohun Bagan was leading. So roar that followed means shout जो वहाँ वो स्टेडियम से जो निकला, इट कुड हैव बीन हर्ड माइल्स अवे. मतलब इतना सब लोग मतलब इतने हैप्पी थे और इतना जोर से उन लोग ने शाउट किया था, ये दिखाने के लिए कि दे वर हैप्पी. The sky turned maroon and green as every person with a Mohan Bagan kite flew it. An Indian team had won the IFA Shield. Bare feet, Mohan Bagan had beaten one of the best British teams. Okay, so one of the best British team को मोहन बगान टीम ने बीट कर दिया. The myth of the British superiority had been laid to rest. Okay, मतलब ये जो myth था कि Britishers are superior, okay, ये myth इन लोग ने तोड़ दिया. Mohan Bagan had not just won the tournament, they had given thousands a reason to believe that they could emerge victorious in their struggle for freedom against the British. अब एक खाली ये गेम जीतने से, ओके चिल्ड्रन, सब लोग के अंदर में ऐसी एक आशा जग गई, ओके, कि अगर हम लोग गेम में अगर ब्रिटिशर्स को हरा सकते हैं तो हम लोग की फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में भी हम लोग को ऑब्वियसली विक्ट्री मिलेगी. वी विल बी विक्टोरियस इन द स्ट्रगल फॉर फ्रीडम. मतलब एक लाइट जो बोला जाता है कि एक आशा की किरण, एक लाइट हम सब इंडियन के दिल में जग गई कि यस, दे आर नॉट सुपीरियर एंड वी कैन बी विक्टोरियस इन आवर स्ट्रगल. In fact, so concerned were the British at the celebration that followed the Mohan Bagan victory that one diplomat was known to have remarked, "If this is the kind of reaction they're winning the shield one gets, we might as well have to leave the country when they win it a second time." Okay, so in fact, so concerned were the British at celebration that followed the Mohan Bagan victory. Okay, मतलब पूरे भारत में, पूरे इंडिया में everyone was celebrating. Only it was just the football match, but then also children, you just imagine कि Britishers were कितना, मतलब वो लोग हार्म कर रहे थे इंडियंस पे, कितना जुल्म कर रहे थे इंडियंस पे. ओके, कि एक विन खाली, मतलब उन लोग को ये मन में ये दिखा रहे थे कि यस, दे आर ऑल्सो सुपीरियर टू ब्रिटिश. ओके, मतलब वो लोग इंफीरियर नहीं है ब्रिटिशर्स से, राइट. तो एवरीबडी वॉज सेलिब्रेटिंग. इतना मतलब सेलिब्रेट हो रहा था पूरा इंडिया में कि वन ऑफ द डिप्लोमेट, ओके, वन ऑफ द उन लोग का जो मतलब कोई भी मिनिस्टर या कुछ भी जो होता होगा, ओके, उसने एक ऐसा कमेंट किया. उसने क्या कमेंट किया कि इफ दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन देयर विनिंग द शील्ड वन गेट्स, अगर ऐसा रिएक्शन अगर मिलेगा, मतलब ऐसा मोटिवेशन बोल सकते हैं हम लोग कि ये टीम को अगर मिलेगा तो अगर सेकेंड टाइम जब ये लोग विन करेंगे तो वी माइट हैव टू लीव द कंट्री. ओके, मतलब हम लोग को ये कंट्री छोड़ के जाना होगा. He did not know how right he was. Mohan Bagan won the IFA Shield again in 1947. Okay, वो डिप्लोमेट ने तो ऐसे ही मतलब कमेंट कर दिया. ओके, लेकिन ये सही हो गया, ये कमेंट became true. Okay, because जब सेकेंड टाइम मोहन बगान ने विन किया आईफा शील्ड तो इट वॉज इन 1947 ओनली, और हम लोग को फ्रीडम भी 1947 में ही मिला. ओके, तो वो उस समय वो डिप्लोमेट ने खाली ऐसे ही कमेंट कर दिया था, लेकिन वो ट्रू हो गया एनी हाउ कि सेकेंड आईफा शील्ड भी हम लोग ने 1947 में ही विन किया और हम लोग को फ्रीडम भी 1947 में ही मिला, राइट. सो स्पोर्ट्स हैव द पावर टू यूनाइट द वर्ल्ड. ओके, स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसा चीज है कि जिसमें सारे वर्ल्ड के जो भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन होते हैं वो आते हैं और साथ में खेलते हैं, राइट. सो इट हैज द पावर टू यूनाइट द वर्ल्ड एंड इट हैज द पावर ऑफ यूनिटी ही है, मतलब एक साथ सब यूनिट बना के ही खेलते हैं. ओके, सब लोग अपना अपना तो नहीं खेलेंगे स्पोर्ट्स में. अब एक क्रिकेट है तो क्रिकेटर्स जो भी है तो वो एज अ टीम दे आर प्लेइंग बिकॉज दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द इंडियन टीम. ओके, सो वो इंडिया की यूनिटी दिखाते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ the sports have the power. Okay.